welcome to our channel. This is our first video and hope you will like, share and subscribe our video. Please support us. So let's get into the video. Let's enjoy the video. Today we will talking about G-Boom speakers. G-Boom speaker is a Bluetooth speaker. So now I am going to show you how to buy G-Boom speaker and what will be the price. So let's start the video. Thank you. G Project G-Boom review. Summary: G Project G-Boom Bluetooth speaker. The G Project G-Boom is a high-powered Bluetooth speaker with a unique boombox design that is absolutely amazing. It is truly an award-winning speaker with top-notch sound performance. This is the very speaker Be Mashable rated as sweet, which clean, high, and pleasant surrounding mind-range mixed together, with the substantial bottom to create the best sound we ever had out of a boombox unit. Furthermore, this Bluetooth speaker is built like a tank with rugged housing, protective rubber base and integrated handle for easy carrying. The sound on the G-Boom is unbeatably loud with its incredibly powerful 10-watt 23-inch woofers and two 1-inch tweeters. It comes with a rechargeable battery which allows up to 6 hours of non-play on-the-go playtime. The pros and cons. The pros: the G Protect G-Boom speaker produces crisp highs with its dedicated tweeters and nice mid-range. In the mid-range, we also like a unique box boom box design which gives the speakers a very sleek and stunning appearance. The battery life is also decent and can last a couple of hours at near maximum volume. It's one of the best Bluetooth speaker you can find, a very good price point that does not bust your wallet and delivers high volume output. It is the ideal speaker of outdoor parties and gatherings. The cons: the bass on the G Protect G-Boom speaker may feel leaking on some music genres and doesn't really have the impact that you might expect from a boombox inspired speaker. The EQ setting can be adjusted, but do not feel like they have a significant impact on sound performance. The audio performance out of the G-Boom was sublime. Sound performance, although the EQ settings do not influence sound performance as much as we wanted. The overall music quality is still pretty solid. The speaker sounds very clean and vivid ID and has a very good command of highs, mids and lows to form a well-balanced blend of music. You can allot audacity, audio clarity with these speakers, such a bass in a voice of the vibration of a guitar strum, and of course the effect in drums. We were highly impressed that a high lunchbox shaped speaker with cost only $99 would be able to sound just as full as most anything it is in its price point and speaker costing twice as much. Design: why it's beat everything out there is the sum of all of its parts. It's built like a rank. G Protect really did their homework with the speaker, as I rugged, and the speakers are high quality at a $99 price. This speaker a steal. What also sets it apart, it has tweeters and it plays the vocals at high frequency and smoothness. Then any small speaker can even hope to match. The speaker can play any kind of music with clarity and punch mates, and the low end is also present. More present than everything in its class and reach. We definitely had a lot of fun listening to this speaker, and it sounds better than most out there. And thus it with a rugged accessory that can stand up to the any environment you bring it on. The verdict. The G-Boom might just be a winner of the loudest Bluetooth speaker under 1999 parts. It produces real sound that is natural and able to fill a room with ease. For the $100 category, this is probably by far the best thing we can have listened to. Although no perfect, it is really good if you are looking for a superbly high performance loud Bluetooth speaker with thumbing bass. This unit is exactly what you need. G-Boom reduced Bluetooth speaker designed to keep the part hopping no matter where you go. G-Boom rugged Bluetooth speaker from G Project is constructed with two major objectives in mind: probability and durability. For starters, the G-Boom is built around the lithium rechargeable battery that allows for up to 6 hours of an on-the-go listening. It also features a rug housing structure with a protective elemental base and integrated handle, allowing you to take your music anywhere or everywhere. In the past few years, wireless audio has become all the rage with new and exciting products, big and small, coming out constantly. It's hard to keep up with everything, and we try big. In the past year alone, we have tested and reviewed over a dozen Bluetooth-enabled speaker systems. So when our friends G Protect approached us with the opportunity to fully test and review the biggest and baddest model yet, we quickly snagged up a demo unit and hit the beach. Backyard party, a circular and everywhere in between. Key features: stream audio wireless with Bluetooth from 30 feet with iPhone, iPad, Android, BlackBerry or any other Bluetooth capable device. Charge any device via the USB charging port to keep this device charging and ready to play. Users can connect and stream from anywhere this device, and standard headphone jack via 3.5 mm line in cable included. Integrated user's interface with playback button and equalizer preset allows customers to control the paired device directly from G-Boom. Users can also wirelessly control the volume, play, pause, skip, forward and backtrack functions directly from the paired devices. For a closer look at our testing progress to see G-Boom in action, make sure to check out with the vast amount of portable cordless Bluetooth speaker circulating in the market right now. It's hard to find the one which that fit basis. The G-Boom is first portable speaker we have come across with a big sound that can hold its sound. Now let's be clear before we dive too far into this. This isn't a 12-inch subwoofer with a 1200 watt. This is 11.8 by 12.2 rugged speaker that you can carry like a lunch box anywhere you go and spread the basis of 30 feet. Audio quality. Instead of traditional portable speaker where watt and bass decent terrible, this piece can let go. It packs its punch with a 4 drivers, dual ports, and max audio. The bass can travel a good distance. You can adjust it by selecting from 3 equalizer presets, powerful, deep or extra bright. Being able to adjust the volume playback from the phone and keep it charged through USB charging port. Durability, battery life. The G-Boom is a great antique have by your side. It's rugged enough for outdoor convenient enough for the party to be go, and enough to hold your weight. The rechargeable battery does in fact last roughly 6 hours as pointed, and the idea of not having to replace batteries is a great, but make sure you find a spare outlet to keep the party going past 6 trades also. So guys, this is the G-Boom speakers review. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Best of luck.